Let's learn congruence of angles. Observe the given angles and write the names of those having equal measures. Angle ABC is equals to 35 degree and angle SPM is equals to 35 degree. Angle NIT is equals to 90 degree and angle SRI is equals to 90 degree. Angle PTQ is equals to 100 degree and angle RTS is equals to 100 degree. Activity: draw two angles, angle LMN and angle XYZ of 40 degree each as shown in figure. Trace the arms of angle LMN and the names of the points on a transparent paper. Now lift the transparent paper and place the angle you obtain on angle XYZ. Observe that if point M is placed on Y and ray MN on ray YZ, then ray ML falls on ray YX. We can infer that angles of equal measures are congruent. The congruence of angles does not depend on the length of their arms. It depends upon the measures of those angles. That angle LMN is congruent with angle XYZ is written as angle LMN congruent with angle XYZ. Now I know two angles with equal measures are congruent to each other. Let's discuss. First, what time does this clock show? 3. Second, what is the measure of the angle between its two hands? 90 degree. Third, at which other times is the angle between the hands congruent with the angle? 9. Congruence of circles. Activity 1. Observe the circles in the figure above. Draw similar circles of radii 1 cm, 2 cm, 1 cm and 1.3 cm on a paper and cut out this circular disc. Place them one upon the other to find out which ones coincide exactly. Observations. First, the circles in A and C coincide. Second, circles in figure B and C and in figure A and D do not coincide. Are these other pairs like this? Circles which coincide exactly are said to be congruent circles.